Guys, another episode, City Boy the Cowboy. Today we're gonna learn about some chickens. I got some young chickens right here. We're gonna transport them up to the chicken coop. We got some beautiful chickens here. I also got some older chickens as well, some bigger ones. We're gonna put them in a coop. We got some new coops down here for them. You can check it out. I'm gonna show you guys how we transport them. We're gonna put them in there and give them a new home with some fresh water and some food. All right. Nice and cool. Look like a safe area for them. Got some some shade, shelter. Then we're gonna bring up the protection in a minute. All right, guys. Two ways to handle chicken. This is the big boy rooster right here. Big boy rooster, you can either hold them by the sides or you can hold them by the wings. It doesn't hurt them. Doesn't hurt them. So big boy finna get a home. Welcome home, buddy. Go get you situated. Make sure the other one don't get out. Go for it. Oh, the baby. Oh, look at the baby. Put a nice, beautiful brown one in there. If it's a girl, I'm gonna call her Hennessy. I get you. What up, guys? Hard work's come to an end for the day. I got the chickens set up. You see how I got them all separated, the babies and the adults together. Everybody's fed, fresh water. Hey, we're about to call it a night. I'm about to put the protection up here, and we're about to go to sleep. Peace out from the City Boy Cowboy.